say, Moti gonna beat up fucking me. I eat food every fucking day. Yeah, son, he can beat fucking me up, but all I trade for him, mother cunt. I traded for him. I'm little about fucking. Put up your fucking guard, you mother cunt. Put up your guard, you fucking better mother cunt. Hey, you fucking cripple. I will tell you, pop, pop, pop. You mother cunt, come.
Alright, so boxing season is in. I feel like I could challenge somebody. Swizzle Stick Man. You feel ready to fight with me? Swizzle Stick Man. I challenge you, Swizzle Stick Man. I'm gonna roll your head. We going in a boxing ring. I challenge you, Swizzle Stick Man. When the people say I knock you out, what are you really gonna say? What the girls gonna say? What the people gonna say?
Yeah, Moti, when you're ready, you're done with the sick man. Oh, you want to box with your fucking head and box with your fucking teeth.
Listen, I'm not feeling hard with. Right, I point all the money behind you. I want my money. Knock it down. Let me see you around the remote.
Keep it